Alright. Apparently there's a package in the mail. I figured the flashlight, even though it's dark, is kind of fitting for the Halloween spirit. So we'll go out here and check it out. Yeah. Yeah. Checking the mail. I think that's it. Make sure I didn't drop any of the mail that's supposed to go out. Okay. Now we'll take it inside and see what it's about.
You gonna hold that while you open it?
Huh? No, I'm gonna open it inside, I think. I guess I could do it right here on the table, huh?
Whatever, no. In case you choose that when you move this. Is it recording now?
Yeah.
You need me to hold both? Look! Look! How do I know that this is... Oh, you got bit. Oh, I see. So I don't...
Want to open this package? I don't know what it is. Uncle Bubba sent it to me.
What is that? Is that a Royals jersey?
Yeah, it is.
One?
That's what I'm talking about.
Two.
Oh, yeah, George Brett.
Two.
Is there a size large in there?
Huh? Yeah.
No, there
so.
isn't. He did?
Yeah. I
Aww.
got you the George Brett. Here's yours, babe.
Yay! Oh, thanks, bub. He actually did it. I was just joking.
No, he had asked me before. I didn't register until right now.
What'd you get this time? What'd you get?
That's so dope. But
What'd you
Uncle
get?
Bubba lives in Kansas City, so he has access to like all this good stuff. All this good Royal
Tell him
stuff.
I want one.
Huh?
I said, tell him I want one.
I know, right? I'm gonna put this on right now. Oh, it's a true button up too.
Oh, looking good, babe.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's official now.
Tara!
Woo!
Are you looking
Huh?
for something?
Just in
What?
time for game time too.
What'd you do? Oh, I'm doing
That's what's up. This is my new work uniform until the series is over.
It's good for work.
Yeah? Alright, you wanna try yours on?
Hmm?
You gotta put yours on. Put that down. Put that down. Let me see this bad boy. That's at number 5 right there. Can I get back there? Can I get back there?
You want me to?
No, babe. It's that Brett. That's what I'm talking about. That's official too. Look at that button up. Button up game time. Forever Royal.
Okay.
Forever Royal.
Oh, he got a small. So cold. Oh, it does fit though.
Yeah,
I
that's what
fit
I'm
into
talking
a
about.
grown-up shirt.
That's adorable.
This
Turn
is
around,
an
turn
adult
around.
small.
George Brett's number 5. That's why my number's 5.
Oh, no kidding.
That's who we used to watch when I was a kid.
You're freezing, babe, so.
That's what's up.
Did I just step on it?
Mhm.
Where did I put it?
Let me see your face a little bit. You look kind of deadish. Turn your head. Is that a vampire bite?
Yeah.
Looks like it. That's
Dude,
pretty
where did it
gnarly.
go?
What?
I put my cigarette down on the ground.
Thanks, Uncle Bob. Uncle Bob.
Woo!
Forever Royal.